Hey y'all, it's your girl Kelly Top Lex back with another YouTube video. So I know a couple videos ago I did the hair paint wax, how to make it, but today I was like, I'm not doing nothing, I don't have anything planned, so why don't I use one of the ones that I already had, because they just been sitting in my little drawer for I don't even know how many months. And look y'all, I haven't even opened this. So today we are going to use it. I got the purple one, so we're gonna be doing my whole head. I don't think I'm just at the end. I think I'm gonna do my whole head just because I feel like doing something a little crazy. So get a shirt that you're not really worried about messing up. You know, I actually really like this shirt, but a couple months ago when I was dyeing my hair to this color, I wore this shirt not even thinking, you know, we got this from my church. All the young adults had to wear this who were helping out Hallelujah Night, so you can identify who was there helping, whatever. But anyways, so this is now the shirt that I be doing my hair with if I'm like doing any type of color or something. So, and I don't really remember how I did this last time because I did do this once before. If I can find a picture, I'll pop it up in this corner. But yeah, I think last time I did it kind of like a braid out, so that's what we're gonna do this time. Ugh, my hair is dry, y'all. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I have my spray bottle. I have this Bounty Curl pudding. I'm trying to get rid of all of my hair products so that I can transition to like all black owned. But I'm not with wasting, so I'm not just gonna throw everything away. I'm gonna like use it first and then transition. But I'm also about to put braids in my head, so I don't know how long that's gonna take me to fully transition, but I'm gonna take my time because like I said, we don't waste over here. See what I'm talking about? We'll see if I like this purple color, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, I didn't even open it. It's kind of hard to open, no cat. Hey Marie! Never mind. But do you hear how she answered me talking about some what? But oh, I also have my towel down here so I can wipe my hands off because I don't like having. I should use gloves. It's not that deep. I could just wash my hands. All right, so we're gonna go into this like we're doing a normal braid out. I'm trying to figure out if I should do this as like a braid out or just twist it. Okay, finger detangling is just about done. I'll get the rest out with my comb. Are you guys ready for school? Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. I'm excited for school to start. I mean, I usually am excited for school to start, but I think I'm like especially excited because I'm gonna be graduating. I graduate this semester, guys. I'm going to be graduating with my associates. I'm gonna be getting my associate's degree in accounting. And then after that, I'm gonna be transferring to, I want to go to one of the UCs. Like my top two are Northridge or Long Beach, but honestly I'll be grateful for wherever I get accepted into. I also want to go to University of Houston because I know they have this like 3x3 program where you can get your bachelor's and your law degree in 3 years, and so I'm gonna be applying there too. But honestly, I don't know if I'm ready to move state. Ooh, child. My hair is tangled. But I don't know if I'm really ready to move states. So honestly, I'm just gonna pace myself. Wherever I get in, I get in. I gave it to God, honestly. I said, God, wherever you want me to go, I'ma go. Cause you gon' make it available for me to go, open finances, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm ready to see what this next semester holds. Comment below what classes you guys are gonna have next semester, or what classes you're ready for, what grade you're in, all that, what college you go to, if you're comfortable saying that. Alright, now I'm gonna get the wax, y'all. I don't really remember how much to put on. Is my hair even... Let's add some more water. I'm telling y'all, the last time I did this was so long ago, I don't even remember. I hope that's enough. Ooh, purple from my purple shirt on. Okay. Is it on my... Oh, no, it's not on my face. I don't know why I thought it was on my face. I can already tell. Oh, that's kind of cute, though. But I can already kind of tell that I'm going to need, like, a lot. Because I got a lot of hair, y'all. This is cute, though. It seems like it's not really getting on my ends like that. So I would say really focus it on your ends. And I know for me, my ends are a whole different color from the rest of my head too. So that probably has a little part in it as well. I think I'm just twist it. I'm trying to talk more because y'all was like, talk more, show your personality. Okay, y'all. Don't be talking about I need to shut up in the next one. My hair is so tangled. Like I said, like this is like a... I want to say 5th day braid out, so I have not like brushed my hair in 5 days, so that's why it sounded like this. But I promise you I'm being gentle. Like I'm not breaking it through. If you don't want to go through, then I kind of go from there. But honestly, I am kind of rough with my hair, but right now I'm not really being rough. But I do need it to be detangled, so I'm not gonna sit here and play. Purple, 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 purple. And I feel like this is gonna dry relatively quickly compared to like my regular braid outs, because my hair, like, you know, after you wash your hair, it's like soaking wet. So my hair is not really that wet, so I feel like it'll dry a lot quicker. So when this video, like when I finish doing this color, I feel like the next clip that y'all see of me will be the next day. If not, I'll clarify, but most likely it'll be the next day. But I'm just gonna do 2 flat twists. I'm not gonna do anything special. What I just did right now was oil my scalp because it was looking a little dry. I'm making sure that my hair is like wet enough for me to be able to finger detangle, but it's not like soaking wet. Soaking wet. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake it. Anywho. That look kind of cute. I'm excited, but I'm scared, but I'm excited. Alright, one more, guys. It's cute already, and it's not even dry. I have a lot of videos coming up, like, to help educate you guys on hair too. I know I've been doing like a whole bunch of random videos, but we gonna get the hair stuff back on and popping. This would be good for a wash and go. I always forget about this. I know they have a clear one because I saw on their Instagram they're like, since y'all like this so much, we made a clear one. Like for gel, so you can use it as a wash and go. I thought that was a really good idea. Did I even comb this section out? I don't think I did.
It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, you got purple in it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. My favorite color.
I know.
Reed, come here.
Oh.
I said, Reed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget.
Okay, use like the whole bottle. Like I don't really know how much more I could use this. Like I definitely could not use this on my whole head again. I'd probably have to do like just my ends, but honestly that's okay. That's not as much as I expected to use. Baby, come through, you deserve a round tonight. Comment if y'all remember that, where that is from. All right, y'all, so it is not the next day. It's not even the day after that. It's not even 3 days later. This is the same day, 3 hours later. So my mom she wants us to all go do something, and I'm like, how am I gonna put my hair up? You know, normally I put my hair up in my little scarf and I tie it, but I'm like, I don't want any of the hair paint wax to come off and all that stuff, so we're gonna take this down right now. It low-key feels dry. Only a little bit comes off when I do that, but it's not like a whole lot. So hopefully it comes out nice. If it doesn't, it's okay. User error because I had stuff to do and I didn't even know about it. But we'll try again. We're gonna take it down. Oh, it's not dry. It's not dry at all. But it's okay. It is okay. It's not okay, but we just gonna act like it is. I mean, I'm here for it. It looks cute. Yeah, it's cute. I just wish it could have dried. But it's alright. It'd be like that sometimes. When you gotta go, you just gotta go. So I just wanted to show you guys outside the color. It's not like as terrible as I was feeling like it was gonna seem because it didn't dry, but I still don't necessarily like it. My family says it's cute. I personally think I look like a clown, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like outside. Like the color really does pop.
Don't be shy, let me get in it.
But where you at? You want to get in it, but where you at? But I hope you guys have a great day. Please comment any other hair paint wax colors you guys want me to try. I have the blue one and the gold one already. I know they have a pink, orange, they might have a green, but if y'all comment green, I'm not gonna do the green.
They have a lot of colors. Cool.
Yeah, so just let me know what colors you guys want and what videos you want in the future, and I got y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the Curly Top Gang. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I'll see y'all.